Welcome to our roundup of the best drip coffee maker options. Whether you want rich flavor, simple controls, or the perfect morning brew for your daily routine, we've selected top-rated coffee makers that combine convenience, performance, and smart features. We'll break down each model's key highlights like brewing capacity, programmability, flavor consistency, ease of cleaning, and overall value to help you choose the perfect machine for your kitchen. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest deals on all the products featured today. Stick around until the end because our top pick delivers cafe-quality coffee with impressive customization and reliability. Let's get started with the best drip coffee makers you can buy right now. The first on the list is the Brew Sense. The Brew Sense is a compact yet highly capable coffee maker designed for people who want smooth flavor and dependable brewing every single morning. With pure flavor system, programmable timer, and compact design, this machine focuses on extracting the best taste possible while fitting comfortably into almost any kitchen space. Its 12-cup capacity makes it ideal for both individuals and families, while the sleek stainless steel finish gives it a premium appearance that looks modern without being overly complicated. One of the biggest strengths of the BrewSense is its pure flavor technology, which ensures coffee is brewed at the correct temperature and timing for balanced flavor extraction. Instead of producing burnt or bitter coffee, it creates a rich and smooth taste that feels more refined than many budget-friendly drip brewers. The anti-drip system is another convenient feature, allowing you to pour a cup before the brewing cycle is complete without making a mess across the counter. Braun also designed this coffee maker with user convenience in mind. The programmable 24-hour timer allows you to wake up to fresh coffee every morning, and the easy-to-read display keeps operations simple even for first-time users. Cleaning is also hassle-free thanks to the removable filter basket and charcoal water filter that helps improve overall taste quality. The warming plate keeps coffee hot for hours without overheating it too quickly, which is especially useful for busy mornings or office settings. Even though it doesn't include advanced brewing customization found in premium machines, it still delivers consistent performance at a very reasonable price point. Overall, the Brew Sense is an excellent option for anyone looking for reliable brewing, smooth flavor, and easy operation in a compact and stylish package. Next up is the Ninja 12-Cup Programmable Brewer. The Ninja 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Brewer is built for coffee lovers who want flexibility and stronger flavor without spending time learning complicated controls. Featuring custom brew strength, hotter brewing technology, and delay brew function, this machine delivers bold and flavorful coffee while giving users more control over the brewing process. Its modern design and large water reservoir make it a practical choice for busy households or anyone who drinks multiple cups of coffee throughout the day. Overall, the Ninja 12-Cup Brewer delivers strong flavor, excellent versatility, and reliable performance, making it a fantastic option for anyone who wants cafe-style coffee at home with minimal effort. Next, we have the OXO Brew Grinder. The OXO Brew conical burr coffee grinder may not brew coffee itself, but it plays a major role in improving the quality of every cup. With conical burr grinding, 15 grind settings, and one-touch operation, this grinder is designed for coffee enthusiasts who want fresher flavor and more brewing precision. Freshly ground beans can dramatically improve aroma and taste, and the OXO Brew makes that process simple, fast, and consistent. Unlike blade grinders that chop beans unevenly, the stainless steel conical burr system creates uniform grounds for better extraction. This consistency helps eliminate bitterness while producing richer and smoother coffee. Whether you prefer drip coffee, pour-over, French press, or espresso, the 15 grind settings and additional micro-adjustments allow you to dial in the exact texture you need. The large hopper can hold enough beans for multiple brewing sessions, and the UV blocking tint helps preserve freshness longer. One-touch operation makes the grinder easy to use even if you've never owned a burr grinder before. Simply adjust the settings, choose the amount, and let the machine handle the rest. Overall, the OXO Brew Grinder is a smart investment for anyone serious about improving their coffee experience, delivering consistent grinding performance and impressive convenience in one sleek package. Coming up next is the Hamilton Beach 2-Way. The Hamilton Beach two-way programmable coffee maker is perfect for households that need both flexibility and convenience. Offering single-serve brewing, full pot capacity, and programmable controls, this machine combines two brewing styles into one affordable system. Whether you want a quick travel mug before work or a full carafe for family breakfast, it easily adapts to different routines without needing separate machines. One side of the unit brews directly into a single cup or travel mug, while the other side handles full pot brewing with its 12-cup glass carafe. This dual-purpose setup is especially useful for homes where different people have different coffee needs throughout the day. The single-serve option also helps reduce waste because you can brew exactly the amount you need. The programmable clock and auto shutoff feature make daily use simple and convenient. You can prepare everything the night before and wake up to fresh coffee waiting for you in the morning. The machine also includes brew strength options, allowing users to choose between regular and bold flavor depending on preference. Overall, the Hamilton Beach two-way offers impressive versatility, strong value, and practical convenience, making it one of the best options for households with varying coffee habits. The last one on our list is the Cuisinart 14 Cup. The Cuisinart 14 Cup coffee maker takes the top spot thanks to its excellent balance of flavor, customization, and high-capacity brewing. Featuring 14-cup capacity, brew strength control, and fully programmable settings, this coffee maker is built for serious coffee drinkers who want reliability and premium performance every day. From busy mornings to weekend gatherings, it consistently delivers rich and satisfying coffee with minimal effort. Its advanced brewing technology produces hotter coffee without sacrificing flavor quality, resulting in a bold and smooth taste that feels closer to coffee shop standards. The brew strength control allows users to switch between regular and bold settings, giving more flexibility depending on mood or coffee preference. The 14-cup glass carafe is one of the largest in its category, making it ideal for larger families, offices, or anyone who drinks multiple cups throughout the day. Even with its larger capacity, the machine still performs well when brewing smaller amounts thanks to the 1 to 4 cup setting that maintains flavor consistency. Overall, the Cuisinart 14 Cup stands out as the best overall drip coffee maker thanks to its combination of strong flavor, customizable brewing, large capacity, and dependable daily performance. So that's it for the best drip coffee makers available right now. Whether you want a compact everyday brewer, a flexible dual-purpose machine, or a premium coffee maker packed with features, there's something here for every type of coffee lover. If this video helped you find the perfect coffee maker, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful product guides like this one. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy your perfect cup of coffee.